Hi everybody, this is CR number 16, helper video number 4. It says in the equation 5x minus 2 equals negative x minus 20, what is the value of x? All right, the first thing we have to do is make sure that all of our variables are on the left side and all of our constants are on the right side. So by doing that, I'm going to go ahead and move this x here to the left side because that's where I want my variables. So I'm going to go ahead and add x to both sides. If you need to build your ladder, you're more than welcome to start with that. Anything I do to one side, I do to the other. Please notice I'm putting x's underneath x's. 5x plus x is 6x. Bring down my minus 2. And then bring down my equals negative 20 on the other side. I then have to go ahead and bring my constants to the right side. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides. And then I think I did something wrong. Let me just check. I know I did something wrong. 5x plus 6x plus 2. Oh, no, I guess not. Oh, yes. Okay, here we go. I have 6x. Sorry about that. 6x equals negative 20 plus 2. I have more negatives than positives, so my answer is negative. And I have 18 more negatives than positives. I then divide both sides by 6, and I get x equals negative 3, which is one solution. All right, good luck in doing yours. There it is, letter A.